Hello friends, welcome back dear guys. Here in that tutorial I would apply guys that beautiful mask options on the picture. That's a colorful mask option, that's a splash 2 prism guys. That's grade 8 border 11 options guys. First of all I have to choose that border 11 mask options for the photo frames, and now some kinds of other ones we could select. So that's orange mask options, that's a fold option, that's a dust option. Friends, now I have to try that shadow options for that photo. That's the ripple options, that one is a prism option. So I have to select that one.